Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Reader to sign documents. First, open the PDF you need to sign in Adobe Reader. Look for the Fill and Sign tool, usually found on the right-hand side panel. Click on it to reveal the signing options. You can then choose to add your signature or just your initials, depending on what the document requires. This process is straightforward and saves you time. Once you've selected Add Signature, you have a few options. You can draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, type it out in a stylish font, or even import an image of your handwritten signature. After creating it, simply click on the document where you want to place it. You can easily resize and reposition it to fit perfectly, ensuring a professional look. After placing your signature, it's crucial to save your document. Go to File and then Save As to store the signed PDF on your computer. It's a good practice to rename the file, perhaps adding Signed to the title, so you know it's the completed version. Now, you can easily share your signed document via email, upload it to a cloud service, or print it if a physical copy is needed. Here are a few quick tips for signing documents. Always make sure your signature is clear and easy to read. Take a moment to review the entire document after signing to ensure everything is correct before saving. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, which lets you read anywhere, be sure to look for the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.